Hi guys, so it's Colie. I'm back with another video. In today's video, as you can probably see, I'm going to be doing eyes. So I've got these little stencils and we're going to attempt to create a cut crease with them. So it might fail, it might go absolutely brilliantly. Anyway, don't forget to leave some comments down below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. And to all of my lovely little subscribers, thank you so much. Let's get to 100. Alright guys, let's get to it. So being careful not to poke yourself in the eye with your stencil. I'm going to place that where I think fits best using the gold shade. I'm going to pop this in and bring it up to the brow. Shiny. Now using a bronze, I'm going to pop that where I've just popped the gold, but not quite as high, if you get what I mean. Now with that orange, I'm going to do the same as I've just done with the bronze, but obviously not bringing it up as high as I brought the bronze. So I'm basically repeating it, just using the orange. So now I'm going into a red with a thin brush, which is usually for eyebrows, but I thought it would work quite well. I'm going to pop this right on the line of where the actual stencil is, just trying to keep it nice and tight. Trying to keep it tighter. Trying. Now grabbing some concealer and a concealer brush, I'm going to tidy up the lines and just bring that down onto the whole of the lid just to make it all one shade, ready for the next part. So I'm just going to go in with a neutral shade and just coat the part of the lid that we've just concealed. As you can see, I love this colour because there's not much left, but it's like a rose gold sort of colour. I'm literally just going to go over the shade that we've just done just to make it a bit more shimmery and standy outy. Now I'm going to pop on some eyeliner if I can get the lid off, and I'm just going to start by doing just a normal line across the lash line basically. Yes. Now I decided to be clever and actually use a stencil to do a wing, and it was a very genius idea. I do like this stencil. Back into that red and a teeny tiny brush. I'm going to pop this underneath the wing and just bring it out a little bit underneath the eye, just to add a bit more colour. So I'm just going to pop on a bit of eyeliner just on the outer corner because I want the inner corner to stay quite bright, and a bit of mascara. So I'm quickly going to flash through me actually doing the other eye for you, so you can actually see how easy it was for me to do it without having to pull up products for me to show you what was going on. Okay, so I'm not actually that great at doing winged eyeliner, and I knew I wouldn't get it this same length on both sides, so I've like marked it off, so hopefully it'll look the same. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. As you can see, it worked. They're the same length. Go Colie! Okay guys, so as you can see, that was actually quite easy apart from having to hold it there whilst showing you what it was that I was actually using. So I have actually got 4 of them, but I only used 2, so I used that one to do the liner, and obviously if you can see I did actually mark it out to try and get this wing the same length as this wing, and then that one, and obviously switched it around for the other eye. So I think they are quite symmetrical, and if you've got hooded eyes like me, it does make it a bit easier to actually get it right and get it straight. I mean, obviously if you wanted to go a bit fancy, you could add another liner or some glitter, or I don't know, whatever you feel like, go crazy, but I do actually recommend them. I quite enjoy doing it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a few comments down below. As I keep saying, thank you for watching. Bye guys!